Okay, this is if you are using ShareThis on your Kajabi site and landing pages, this is what you want to do. From the page, you want to copy your code. So however you've designed your button, hit copy, and then you need to go into your Kajabi site. Now I'm going to show you how to put it on your site and also how to put it on your landing pages, because you might be using a combination of website and landing pages. I know that I do that for myself. My homepage, for instance, is a landing page, but no one would ever know it. And when you're doing things like your pipelines, those are built out of landing pages. And so you have to put the code on that landing page. Because it's not a website page, it doesn't read accordingly. So I'll show you both ways to do it, but it's super easy. Once we have it copied, and their instructions are copy and paste the code into the bracket head bracket. Okay, so go to your Kajabi site and we're going to click on appearance. All right, we're a couple of steps ahead there. We're going to go back real quick. When you're on appearance, you want to go to whatever site is live. If you're building this, then obviously you would choose the site that you're building and you can put this on before it goes live. But whatever site you're going to use that you want this to show up on, that line is the one that you want. Then on the far right hand side, there's 3 buttons. Click on those 3 buttons and then you're going to click edit the code. Now, I have been a non-coder for years. I know just enough to be mildly dangerous, and I freaked out the first time I went under the hood in Kajabi. I will tell you, they have made it so easy that, don't worry about it. But if you're at all nervous that you might mess it up, I recommend taking a screenshot of exactly what you're doing, and that way, if anything messes up, I don't think it will, you at least have that backup plan. I did that for sure when I was first starting to do this stuff. So under your site, click on layouts, and then the 2 folders will open. You want to click on theme liquid, and you'll see it says the bracket head bracket. So that's what the instruction said. It said, hey, go paste it on bracket head bracket. So if you don't have a line, then put your cursor in there, hit return, and give yourself a line. What I'm going to do is put my cursor on the line, paste in. All right, so make sure that you have the most recent thing on your clipboard. Put your cursor on the line and then paste in the code from ShareThis. You'll see it says right here, line 4 now is script, and you can see it says platform ShareThis. So once you have that done, click save. Now this will put it on your website pages. So your blog post, your about me, your store, your home, all those, the website pages. But if you're using landing pages, which in Kajabi, I love our landing pages. I call them building pages because you can build anything out of it. On my website, I have both. And so what you have to do is you have to make sure that you put it on the landing page you want it to show up on. So once your site is good, then you want to go to, and again, if you're using a pipeline, you would put this on the front page of the pipeline so that people could share it. So here we can go to, we'll go to this page for right now. So you would click on or find the landing page that you want to put this on, and then go over to the far right-hand side. So same process as the website. Click on the 3 dots, click edit the code. When you do this, it will open up, and you want to click on templates, have that open up, and then you'll see where it says index liquid. Click on that. Again, you'll see the bracket head bracket. So put your cursor on the blank line, or if you don't have a blank line, put your cursor in, hit return, give yourself a blank line, and then paste in the code right there and click save. Now, if you want to preview the page without closing this one down, I highly recommend that. On a Mac, you can hold down your Command key and then click Preview in the upper right-hand corner. When you do that, it will open up a new page, and you will see that the buttons are right here. This is how I configured mine. They're right here on the left-hand side. So I hope that was super easy to follow, but if you have any questions, please feel free. I'm glad to answer them. I actually use the Add This platform and not the Share This platform, but they work very, very much the same. So if there's any way I can help, I'm more than glad to, and have fun, because this is like one of the best tools ever to use with Kajabi. Have a great day. Bye-bye.